If your newborn doesn't sleep through night, when it is good health indicator and when you need to rush to the doctor, I will share in this video. In this video, I am going to share 5 reasons why your baby is not sleeping through night, when you don't need to worry at all and when you need to consult with your pediatrician. If you are in hurry, you can watch this video at 1.5 speed, but please don't skip this video because if you miss even one point, you can miss important information. 5 reasons why your newborn is not sleeping through night. Your baby doesn't know it is night or day. Sometimes baby starts sleeping at day-night reversal schedule. Means baby sleeps well during the day and they are awake and active at night. What you can do to help baby to learn that daytime is for play and night is for rest. Keep them awake a little longer during each waking period, and this will increase the need for sleep later. Some experts recommend play with baby for a few minutes after a feeding instead of letting them sleep. At night, keep lights low or turn them off completely. Near baby's sleeping area, it should be dim light or dark with white noise. Your goal should be zero disturbance to baby. Make a routine. Freshen up your baby. Change baby's clothes. Slowly baby will learn. At night, you freshen him up, you change clothes, you dim the light, you turn on white music, and baby will adopt this routine slowly. Consider swaddling your baby at night. Newborns feel quite comfortable in swaddling. They feel like being in the womb. Your baby is hungry. Babies have very small stomach when they are born. Very small. Hunger is common reason babies wake up during the night. By the age of 5-6 months, babies need to double their birth weight. So they need those extra calories to grow to double their birth weight. So if your baby is waking up during the night, it is good sign for health. You will notice that your baby is gaining adequate amount of weight, and because baby is consuming calories, consuming feed, baby will wet his or her diaper, so you need to change diaper. You may feel exhausted when baby wakes up at night, but don't worry, this phase will pass. By the age of 4 to 6 months, baby will start sleeping for longer time. I want to share my story here. When my son Imad was born, he was born extremely premature. Birth weight was only 800 grams. He was in NICU for 103 days, and when he came home after discharge, his weight was only 2 kg plus. It was around 2 kg 125 grams. Imad used to cry a lot at night. We had to feed him 3 to 4 times at night. I was sleep deprived, but because Imad was consuming good amount of feed, he was gaining proper weight, and by the age of first year, he gained 9 kg plus weight. So in spite of being extremely premature, he gained proper weight due to that hunger at night because he consumed lot of feed during the night as well. Your baby doesn't feel well. There is always something is going with your newborn and lot of it is uncomfortable. Your baby may be teething, have cold and allergies, have gas, or your baby can be constipated as well. These will cause baby to wake up during the night. Check with your pediatrician if you suspect any pain or allergy could be the reason. Your baby needs you. Sometimes babies are in so much love with their parent that they just want to know what their parents are doing, or maybe baby just want to play with you in the middle of night. Too much stimulation. Babies are sensitive. Too much stimulation can throw them off their sleep game. Stimulation might come in the form of breastfeeding mom is consuming too much chocolate or consuming too much caffeine, which comes out in the milk and keeps baby awake at night. Baby is not sleeping during the night can be a clue for a breastfeeding mother that something in their diet is not agreeing with their baby's tummy. In most cases, your newborn is awake at night during those early months of life. It can seem eternity when you are exhausted, but this time will pass. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon.